How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can hard reset your Nokia C32 phone right here. So the first thing that you want to do is to hold or turn off the device itself. And you only want to do this if you're completely locked out of your device and there's no way to go ahead and open it up. So once again, the first thing that you want to do is to press the power buttons right here and then just turn off the device regularly. Right after, you then want to press the power button and the volume down button while turning it on, and you don't want it to let go until you see this specific screen right here. Basically, this is the Android recovery. And in order to navigate through this menu, you want to use the volume up and volume down. So you will be able to select setting, data, calibration, and many more. So you could just navigate through the reset function. And then in here, we have the factory reset data. To confirm your action, just press on the lock screen or the turn off phone button once, and you will be able to navigate through this menu and just select the factory data reset. You should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.